Changing your payout settings on checkout.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are set correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the checkout.com website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access payout settings. Step 2. Navigate to payout settings. Once logged in, find the settings or account section in the dashboard. Look for an option labeled payout settings with Sima to access your current payout configurations. Step 3. Review current payout methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout information. To change your payout method, select the option to add or edit your payout information. Enter the new details as required, ensuring all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and confirm them. After updating your payout settings, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payout settings have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout settings on checkout.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.